Welcome to another section of an Arabic calligraphy course where we'll start learning how to write letters. To write letters, I have made this diagram where I show you different angles. So I encourage you to make a diagram like this, make an angle of 90 and then divide it into 45 and go towards the lesser numbers in 45. And keeping your pen at 45, now you'll see I'll make a stroke keeping my pen at 45 degrees. And just tilting it a bit to get a very thin and fine point at the end. Now I'm doing a horizontal stroke. Start with the full cut of the column, like put the nib flat on the paper and gradually make it like thinner as you go towards the point of the letter or end of the letter. Here I'm making a slanted stroke and starting off by keeping my pen at about 80 degrees. You can practice by keeping your pen on different angles, go below 45 degree and above 45 degree and see what kind of line you get. As we write towards the upper side of the paper, the line will slowly become thin. And here I am practicing going from left to right. Practice these strokes also. These strokes will make it easy for you to do Arabic calligraphy. You will be able to write letters with ease if you know these strokes and the angles. And keeping a rounded bottom, making a rounded bottom is also a part of Jali Diwani lettering, because in this Diwani writing, usually the letters make a beautiful half crescent like shape at the bottom. Yeah, practice like writing alif, start with a 45 degree angle, practice. For practicing these strokes, I'm using a local made water-based inks and you can see the result. It's pretty good, pigmented, and it gives a beautiful orange color. Now I will write the same strokes using Sennelier inks. I'm using it in a dark blue color. Doing the same strokes with Sennelier inks now, and you can see the difference, and it's entirely up to the user which kind of ink he wants to use. I usually use local made inks for practicing and these French made Sennelier inks in my final calligraphy projects. As you can see, these Sennelier inks give a beautiful transparent quality to the writing. So start practicing these strokes, and I'm sure you're gonna love this exercise and keep doing them in your spare time, and also be committed to doing and completing this course, as I'm sure you'll also be surprised at your own ability of how well and perfectly you can write. More you do this writing, the more you're gonna love it. And I'm also going to repeat the steps we have just covered in this section.